When setting up conference rooms across an organization, it can be challenging to understand the audio quality in each space. Sometimes issues get reported, but often they don't. People in the room usually aren't aware there's a problem unless someone on the far end speaks up. VoiceScoreAI eliminates the guesswork. Powered by advanced machine learning, it analyzes acoustics and provides a real-time score, helping identify whether any adjustments are needed for a better audio experience. Let's take a look at how it works. Right now, this room has a score of 2.36. There are a lot of distractions, reverberation, and overall background noise coming through the call. Here are the recommendations for improving the audio in this room. I can also enable Poly audio technologies directly from this page. Now the background score has improved to 3.73. The audio is much clearer, focusing in on my voice instead of the distracting noises. As I move to the back of the room, you'll see that the score has dropped to 2.48. So in this case, let's go ahead and plug in an expansion microphone. By plugging in an expansion microphone, I can bring the score in the back of the room up to 4.12. If I want to see how this room's score changes over time or compare it to other rooms, I can download the file. I can even set a target score to use as my standard for audio quality, helping ensure consistent audio quality across all rooms. VoiceScoreAI is part of Poly Labs. Visit hp.com to learn more.